problems, and then you give a sort of advice.
Reaction.
Okay. How about a sample? Pwede mag-sample kayo?
Sample doon.
Sample. Yeah, sample lang.
Kunyari, ang patient mo si Angel.
Yes. May love problem ako, Kati G.
Sample advice or the way I read
The way you announce.
Okay.
This love line is from Angel. Dear Kathy G.
Yun na.
Just call me out. Tawagin mo na lang ako sa pangalang Angel. Something like those.
Okay, Private Ryan.
Ako,
Paano
yun.
ba? Like, let's say mag-introduce ka ng song and then you'll mag-greet ka ng mga listeners.
Yun, parang yun lang. Kunyari, here's a song being brought to you by a certain sponsor. Tapos, this one goes out to, the usual.
Parang nahiya kayo,
mga pangga natin
Shy,
sa yan. Pero, yun, usually,
Di ba may mga tagline kayo? Let's say, for example, meron kami.
Yeah.
Like, paano ba? Mellow, 94.7, sounds good.
Yeah.
Like, how about you? Para sa
kami,
iyo?
parang ayun, pangga, may energy ka ba? Yun. Usually, that one.
Sobrang sikat yan eh, pangga.
Talaga?
Yeah!
May nakikinig pala sa amin.
Oh, nakikinig ako.
Talaga?
And what do you think, yung mga struggles nyo as a DJ, yung mga pinagdaanan nyo, mahirap. Minsan, di ba
True.
mahirap? As for you, talagang mahirap. For years, hindi ka sumweldo.
When we started, minsan you do the graveyard shift, no?
Yeah.
Siyempre, just for you to go on the air. So, puyat ka, and then in the morning, papasok ka ng school, college. Just like, kasi may in-idolize ako eh. Meron lang ako sinundan na parang career path. So, parang kung kaya niya, kaya ko din. So after
DJ din siya?
Oo, after being a DJ niya, pasok din siya sa school. So, yung time na pag may exam siya, naka-leave siya, di ba? Yun yung time na entra naman kami.
Napagdaanan ko din nga. How about you, Kathy G?
Yeah, as I mentioned before, di ba, I used to be an AM eh. So parang, tas sa FM, nasanay ako sa AM na I have technician, so parang mag-queue ka lang, commercial na ako. But then sa FM, parang ikaw yung nagko-console, ikaw yung spinner, ikaw yung, tapos like, on my program pa, diba, parang magbabasa pa ako ng mga letters, mag-e-edit ako ng mga... So, na-assign din ako sa midnight. Yung first board work ko is midnight. The first
Kaya naman yata yung mga bago.
Tapos parang AM, then I'm doing sports also in PBA. Tapos parang biglang FM, I'm playing music. Ano to? Gano'n.
Pero masasanay din naman, di ba? So, okay, yung advice yun naman sa ating mga listeners, yung mga aspirants who wants to become a DJ themselves.
Yun, all you have to do is, totoo yan eh, sipag at syaga, and then just, parang push your luck. Kasi sa dami ng candidates ngayon, sa dami ng,
like, let's say, for
maraming
example,
stations, di ba? Pero
we have
maraming,
24 stations.
True.
Sa
Pero,
FM pa lang.
ang dami ding potential DJs.
That's
Tapos
true.
nandyan pa yung mga DJ na pwede naman mag-retire na, pero hindi naman. Kasi, pag by heart kasi, being a DJ, ang hirap iwanan. Ang hirap iwanan ng radyo talaga.
Just for the love of it, you're doing it even though you're getting this amount.
Oo. Kasi you're enjoying. Tapos yun, you have to do lang mga rackets on the side.
That's
like
right.
Angel.
Oh, yung dami mo rin kaya. Si Isko.
Oo nga, no? Isko.
And then, Kathy G.
Siguro as a DJ, follow the playlist, familiarize yourself to the music, and love what you're doing.
Yun.
Wow. So, thank you so much again for joining us sa
Thank you,
DJs.
Thank you.
Kathy G and Private Ryan.
Thank you,
Ayan.
Angel.
Dumaan na naman ang isang araw dito po sa ating episode ng Voice of the Week. Thank you so much for joining us. Next week, we have another exciting and new episode here on Voice of the Week. This has been Angel. Voti TV will be right back.
Welcome back to another edition of YouthTube, where we feature the hottest videos here and abroad. So, with me today are my special guest co-hosts, Sam Duque and Francis Mendoza.
Hello. Hello, Mark. And we've got a special treat for you today, di ba, Mark?
That's right, that's right. We've got improv everywhere and Exena Manila. So, tell us a little bit about improvisation.
Improv or improvisation is a spontaneous act of invention, usually just singing or dancing, or doing whatever in that moment in response to one's immediate environment.
Ang galing mo! Ang galing ng Wikipedia.
Kapatid acting yun, ano ba?
So yun nga, ang Improv Everywhere is an international group.
International!
International yan.
Got
Wherein-
international itesh.
Wherein kasama ang eksena Manila. Right?
Eksena Manila.
Eksena Manila.
Parang nafe-feel ko, eksena. Parang gusto ko mag-acting-actingan.
Cause scene.
Oo. Cause a scene. I want to cause a scene.
Yeah.
But then again, ano ba? Nawawala yung ano ko. Okay, Wikipedia mode. Okay. That causes scenes of chaos or joy in public places. Parang KSP. With a cause.
Okay, first let's start off our videos with a clip from the New York-based Improv Everywhere in the Grand Central Freeze. And so let's watch.
Yay.
All right, thanks for coming out, everybody. Really excited that all you guys are here. We've got a really exciting mission that we're going to be doing today. We're going to be freezing in place on cue at the exact second. We're going to hold that for 5 minutes, and then we're going to unfreeze, and we're out.
They stopped what they were doing and just stood like frozen.
How long has this been happening?
I don't know.
I just walked in. Has it been going on for a while?
No, it just goes. This guy just dropped the papers a couple minutes ago. About a minute ago, not even.
Look at that lady over here.
It's like everybody.
Yeah.
Can't move my car. There's hundreds of people frozen everywhere. This is wild.
This is so weird.
What's going on?
I don't either.
I think it's some kind of protest, probably.
Either that or an acting class.
No, they are not moving. I can't move my car. I need some help. Never mind. They're moving.
I like that video. That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Mark?
Nag-freeze daw siya gaya nung nasa video.
Walang effect. Ang galing mag-improv. Mark.
Yuhu!
Mark! Pipitikin ko.
Ayaw niya.
Oo nga. Baka saktan tayo. Okay. Hayaan natin siya. Okay, if you want to see more of the group, they have a website. It's www.improveverywhere.com. Next up is yung Manila counterpart nila, which is, kapatid?
Eksena Manila.
Yes, Eksena Manila.
Eksena Manila is a group of bored commuters, parents, students, etc. na gustong magpakitang gilas sa pamamagitan ng paggagawa ng mga kung anong eksena sa gitna ng Maynila.
Okay.
So mga eksena to.
Ayaw talaga din
Parang
gumalaw.
ganito eksena.
Oo nga eh. So this one was filmed last May 31 sa LRT. So isa-isa silang pumasok sa LRT tapos sila ay kumanta ng
Maliit na butas, lumalaking.
konting gusot, dumadami.
Tama na, babagyo pa. Kaya...
Kaya tinaon nga natin to na umalis na yung bagyo para hindi tayo ma-blame. Ay,
sige,
talaga.
pakita na natin.
Sige.
Anong tawag sa kanila? Parang LRT.
LRT Chorale.
Chorale? May audition kaya doon?
Ewan ko, parang gusto ko. Oo.
Sige,
May
go.
audience
Pakita
eh.
na natin.
Sige.
Next station, Gilmore. Ang susunod na stasyon ay Gilmore. Gilmore Station. Pabalik sa Gilmore Station.
Hindi sigurado sa kalalabasan ng ginagalak mo. Maliit na bukas lumalaki, konting gusto.
Next station, J. Louis. Ang susunod na stasyon ay J. Louis.
Hello again. Na-inspire ako. Parang gusto ko tuloy kumanta in a public place. Oh! Mark! Okay ka na!
Yeah, well, thanks to your angelic singing. Nabuhay ulit ako.
Parang iniinsulto niya ako, kapatiso. Parang gusto niyang masaktan.
So guys, what did you like about the videos we just saw? Both of them. First with Improv Everywhere and then Exena Manila.
Gusto ko yung gusto ko yung shades niya.
Nainggit ka ba?
Oo.
Sana try nila ng mga alas 5. Alas 5 o alas 6.
Nang ano?
Para masikip yung sayo.
Paano kaya gagawin?
Mahirap gawin.
And then everyone will be forced to listen
Kasi
to
mas
them.
maraming tao nun pag ganung oras, di ba?
Mahirap naman kasi pag sobrang dami, paano kung hindi nakasakay yung ibang agent?
O kaya pag may stampede, gawin nila.
Oo, magkagulo.
I'm glad dun sa video na dun sa Central Station sa US. Ang maganda doon yung ang dami nila, number one. Tapos yung mga tao naguguluhan sa kanila, parang ano nangyayari? Ba't tumigil sila? Naka-freeze lang doon.
Kaya hindi natin gawin yun dito sa Voti TV.
Mag-freeze tayo ulit?
Sa gitna ng dyan sa labas.
Sige.
Holiday naman Holiday naman medyo
wala makakita sa atin.
Sa bagay, no? Doon tayo sa mga natitira mga restaurants na bukas.
So, Frances,
pero
anything,
happy siya.
Anything you liked about the videos? Frances?
Iwan natin yan.
Ayoko, narinig ko yung iiwan na ayoko.
Oo.
Ano na gustuhan ko? Gusto ko kumanta in public places.
Okay. So, you like the idea of
Para lang naman siya.
Yes. Actually, kahit yung mag-acting, pwede kong sampalin si Sam. Sarang ng maraming tao.
Para lang siyang candid camera, joke, mga tago-tagugan.
Pero ang problema, hindi siya joke eh.
It's a performance.
Performance ito, Fred. Performance
ano pa ba yung mga
level.
ibang samples nila aside from singing and freezing?
Well, there's acting involved. Sa improv, kahit anong gawin mo, basta angkop sa eksena. Yung gagawin talaga.
Meron akong napanood kasi, YouTube baby din ako. So, tinignan ko yung Improv Everywhere. Tapos meron ako nakita doon yung choral nila in a mall. Naloka ako. Mahilig ako sa musical. Talagang nagkakakanta sila doon. Prento ko sa tissue.
Is there...
Diba?
Well, if you want to find out more, a little bit more about Exena Manila, you can find out through their website. What's their website?
That's www.exenamanila.com.
Okay, so you can find out about improv there and a lot of other things about Xena Manila. But if you want to look for more improv stuff, you should visit YouTube. You can see lots of videos. My favorite, for example, is this comedy show called Whose Line Is It Anywhere? And this time, parang stand-up comedy naman. You'll sing, you'll dance, and do whatever, you play with props, whatever.
Hindi ko pa natitignan yan.
Parang bago sa pandinig ko. Kasi ang favorite ko doon yung kay Ahmed eh.
Ahmed?
Ahmed. Oo.
Ahmed.
Tapos sino pa ba? Si Peanut.
Tignan natin
Basically,
yan,
Jeff Dunham.
E di sa susunod siguro pwede natin i-feature din yan.
Yes, let's have a look at those things.
Yeah.
Kaso nga lang.
Abangan nila yan. One of these days.
Eh, paano naman kung meron silang gusto na i-feature natin dito? Paano? How can they get in touch with us?
Oo nga naman.
Well
Paano
then, they can
Ano nga ba,
email
Mark?
us.
Kasi
They
ikaw
can-
may alam eh. Go!
Are we improvising?
Yes.
You can tell, no? We're going to, you can send us your stuff, any information, at votitv@gmail.com. That's one word, votitv@gmail.com. You may also visit our website at, yes, votitv.multiply.com. Or if you want a more personal touch, give us a call at 729-7274.
Baka magkamali.
Oh.
Matawagan nila. Huwag ka mag-improv.
729-7274.
So kung meron kayong gustong ipa-feature sa moment ko to, sa Voice of the Week, open kami dyan.
Of course, don't call us now because we're all here.
Yes. And aside from that, mga kapatid, holiday po ngayon. Wala kang tao sa opisina.
Okay, great.
So,
So what happened in this it's a special episode kasi we're midway through the
Yes.
through the
7 episodes na tayo.
So
so proud. Improv.
Improv na naman.
Yes.
Marami na tayong mga nag-guest na mga talagang mga young achievers na madaming mga
Yeah, and we're looking forward to more. So please give us a call if you want to be featured in our show and you feel that your life is worth talking about here in our show. Let us know. Okay. So that wraps up another episode. We'll see you next week at GNN Voti TV, 5 p.m. every Mondays.
Yeah.
Hilig na mag-improv, no?
Oo nga.
I like it.
See you next week.
See you next week, guys. Bye.
Voti TV.